In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to remove computer viruses using Norton Antivirus. With just a few clicks, you can ensure your system is protected and running smoothly. Let's get started. First and foremost, you'll want to open the Norton app on your computer. If you haven't already installed it, make sure to do so by downloading it from the official Norton website. Once you're in the app, you'll be able to access all the features you need to safeguard your device. It's an intuitive platform that makes it easy to keep your computer virus-free. Now that you're in the app, the next step is to navigate to the settings. You'll find the settings icon easily visible on the main dashboard. Click on this to open a range of options tailored to help you customize your protection. The settings menu is an invaluable tool. It allows you to control every aspect of the antivirus software, ensuring it operates exactly the way you want it to. From the settings menu, you'll want to click on the Features section. This section includes various components of Norton Antivirus that work in tandem to secure your machine. It's like your command center where you can manage real-time protection and other critical features. Having an understanding of these features empowers you to make more informed decisions about your device's security. After accessing the Features section, look for the Live Update option. Live Update is essential because it keeps your virus definitions current, ensuring Norton protects against the newest threats. By clicking on Live Update, you initiate a process that checks for and downloads the latest updates. This is a vital step, as not having the latest updates can leave your computer vulnerable to new and emerging viruses. Once Live Update is open, click on the option to Check for Updates. This action ensures that your antivirus program is as up-to-date as possible. The check might take a few minutes, depending on the size of the updates needed, but it's a crucial part of maintaining effective security. Always allow these updates to download and install. This way, you give Norton the best chance to fend off threats. In conclusion, by following these simple steps within Norton Antivirus, you've strengthened your computer's defenses against viruses and other malicious software. Regularly checking for updates and maintaining your antivirus settings is essential to keeping your data safe. Remember, taking the time to perform these checks periodically is a small effort in exchange for the peace of mind that comes with knowing your computer is protected. Stay safe and keep your system running smoothly with Norton.